Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I have anticipated this package for quite some time. I look forward to testing this product. This package came from Big Wipes. Yes, Big Wipes. Big Wipes claims that they can remove oil, grease, you name it, any kind of smut that can come from an engine or while you're working on things, any kind of paint, any kind of silicone gasket, ultra black, ultra gray, you name it. It claims to take it off and hold it inside and never transfer it, all in a wipe. If that is the case, this could be a game changer. Let's go ahead and open up the package and take a look at what is inside, shall we? All right. Let's see here. First thing we have, multi-purpose Big Wipes here. Cleans paint, adhesives, polyfoam, silicone, gap fill, oil, grime, and more from hands, tools, and surfaces. We will be putting that to the test here. Alright, we have the cage here. And you mount it on your wall in your shop, your garage, and you can store your Big Wipes right there. Easy to access. Got that. Let's go ahead and get these out of here. All right. These are, they're heavy duty textured scrubbing wipes. That should be very, very interesting. If it works the way that they advertise, it could be absolutely outstanding. Because I know I start off working with gloves, and I'm sure a lot of you do, and for some reason or another they get torn or they get slippery. One way or another they end up coming off, and I usually get a bunch of crap on my hands. And I'm very excited about this. This could be absolutely amazing. Got a few more things here. Smaller size, heavy duty. Heavy duty, heavy duty, heavy duty. Some samples there. There you go. Excellent. There we are. And one of their catalogs, or a flyer rather. Got all their stuff. I tell you what, guys, I know exactly the place that I'm going to go to test these wipes. It's a very good friend of mine. I'm going to head over to his shop. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, we are at the local tractor repair shop to test out the Big Wipes. Let's go ahead and go inside and see how they perform. Alright guys, we have made our way inside, and I have a few things commonly found in the shop atmosphere that could get on your hands and are not necessarily the easiest things to get off. I have some Permatex sleeve retainer, for holding the cylinder sleeves in the engines. I have high-tack sealant. It's a spray gasket. Anti-seize lubricant, Permatex. That's kind of tricky to get off. I've got some PB Blaster, commonly found. Spray paint. And of course 80/90 gear oil. Let's test these and see how they do. Let's start with the gear oil. Get some on my hands. As you can see, my hands are clean. There is nothing on them. Let's go ahead and get some of that on there. There we go. As you can see, 80/90 gear oil is on. Let's go ahead and grab one of these big wipes and see how it does. Let's get the box open here. All right, there we are. Now, they do have a very pleasant citrus smell to them. And the oil is gone. That's pretty impressive. Go ahead and dry our hand here. And let's move on to the next product. How about PB Blaster? There we go. And I'm going to use the same cloth here, same wipe. And it is off. Go ahead and dry it here. It does leave a solvent. All right. Let's try the spray paint, shall we? Good. Here's a fresh wipe. One side is textured, one side is not. Let's get our textured side. Let's wipe that off. I did clean it off. And as you can see, the paint is there. Here's my hand. It does not deposit it back. So it does hold it on. Very interesting. All right, let's dry our hand once again. Okay, let's try the spray gasket. There we go. This is very, very sticky stuff. Let's work it around a little bit, get it dried. As you can hear, it is very sticky and tacky. Okay, let's use our same paint wipe here. Excellent. Off the nails. Very interesting. Even gets under the nails. How about that? Gone. Very interesting. There it is. That's an incredible find. All right. Dry our hand off again. Let's get our anti-seize on here. Get it coated good. Let's grab a fresh wipe here. Look at that. All right. Excellent. As you can see, I took it right off and it does not deposit it back. Interesting. There it is. All right, our last product here. Go ahead and put some of the sleeve retainer on. There we go. Let's work it around for a minute. We're using the same rag as the anti-seize. Gone. That's pretty incredible. Speaks for itself. Well, there you have it, guys. Big Wipes took off everything I could throw at it in the shop there. They are a pretty good product. They did hold it. They did not deposit it back on. So I would say these are an absolute game changer in the shop atmosphere, even in the home shop. If you do work for yourself or if you work for a company, these could be the ticket for you. Now it is starting to rain out here, so I will have to wrap it up with this little portion here. But I would say they are an absolute plus, and I would suggest buying them. I'll leave a link in the description below to Big Wipes. Go check them out. They have all kinds of wipes for just about any scenario you can think of. Alright, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And since you're here, guys, you might as well subscribe. Thanks for watching.